Hello and welcome to Wake Up and Smell the Mic S&P 500 review for Thursday, June 22nd, 2023. It's now 6 a.m. Central Time. We start off in the S&P 500 daily chart in DeMark, looking back to the end of 2021. I'll zoom into the current area now. The combo and sequential count has had a pretty good run all the way up to 16. I'm only showing the combo here. And it has experienced the price flip to the buy setup count 1. And to negate that for end of day today on the 22nd, there must be a close above 4425.84 for the price flip back to the sell setup count 1. The Bollinger Band, Channel 3 high and Stark Band in black are traveling all together here in DeMark at the top. So that is definitely formidable resistance. Price is approaching the cloud conversion line and break through that. The lower Stark Band is leading the lower bands. So first it's the Stark Band, the Channel 3 low, and the baseline underneath the Channel 3 low, and the Bollinger Band lower band is down at 4098.43 near the cloud top 4109.44. And here in stock charts is the real Stark bands. So the setting I have over in DeMark is different than this one, but pretty close. I'm not able to put the ATR on there in DeMark, but here in stock charts it's present. So I use a 6 simple moving average period and a 1.5 ATR and a 15 period. So you can see that the upper Stark Band is starting to curl over, more pronounced here in stock charts than it is in the DeMark Stark Bands. So back in DeMark, I have switched off the Channel 3 bands and the Bollinger Bands, leaving the Stark Band in black with the mid band here in blue. The demand line was qualified yesterday, crossing under that level. It opened under it, which it needed to do to qualify. Now the confirmation bar for the demand line that's qualified here could happen today. It needs an open lower than this close, tick lower than this low, and then close lower than this close on the 21st. Similar to propulsion. So again, the conversion line is first support, and then it hits the lower Stark Band, which should be really good support. It's hard to puncture that only in a severe downdraft when a terrible event has happened. And some traders and investors consider Powell's testimony to Congress yesterday a serious event. And an update to the Qs shows that all of these risk levels here were not qualified on yesterday's bar. It had a chance if it would have opened higher than this close on the 20th and then ticked above this risk level here, then all of these would have been qualified, but then we would have had to have the confirmation bar. So it went down in between them yesterday, and that's an ominous sign. And this last risk level here is at 359.42. And price in the pre-market for the Qs is approximately 360.82. So a decisive break under this last risk level for aggressive combo and variable aggressive combo would be a shorting opportunity, in a low risk environment. So if you can catch it right as it goes under, but it should be a very sustained move, in other words, strong move under this, you could short it and then use maybe this one as a stop level to cover the shorts. And that's all temporary, as I believe that it's destined to print the 13 for this combo cluster sell countdown. And these sequential, phantom sequential, and variable sequential risk levels are up at this level. And the Q's daily zigzag level in dashed blue here is still in zig mode. And it's going to take a lot to get it to go into zag mode or pointed down, such as this peak here. We're going to have to wait at least 2 or 3 more bars to see what happens there.